Hello mga ka-arts! Welcome back to my channel. It's already 11 p.m. and my baby is already sleeping, so we should be quiet. Anyway, for today's video, we will open this art materials that I ordered from Shopee, and we will try if this is worth the price or not. So let's start the video. Let's open it. By the way, this is the price. It's 66 pesos. Let's open it. I've ordered small, medium, and large, and the price of this water brush is 22 pesos each. Super cheap, right? So 22 pesos, 22 into 22, so it's 66 pesos. And let's open. For me, it doesn't look like cheap, and I'm very excited to try them out. It's small, medium, and large. And here is the close-up view. I also filled them with water, and for me, it's good quality, super cheap for its price. And now let's see if how much water will it gives when you squeeze it. That's the small, and then medium, good, and large, also good. Just a little bit of squeeze and the water will come out. Good quality. Now let's try and test it with watercolor. By the way, for those who want to try this 22 pesos water brush, I will put the name of the store in the description below. Just find them in Shopee. Also, I don't know if it's still 22 pesos, but as I try to look in the store, I mean the time that I bought this item, that I placed the order, it's not on sale. So I hope this is still 22 pesos. The water brush that I am using is large, so this is the large. With this water brush, you can also control the amount of water that you want to put in the paper. Now let me show you how to clean this water brush. Just squeeze it, and then when the water is coming out, just wipe it with paper towel like what I'm doing in the video. Continuously doing it until there's no paint coming out of the brush. And that's how you clean water brush. Now let's try medium size. I use different color for each size, so it will be easy for us to distinguish which water brush I use, if it's small, medium, or if it's large. As you can see, it's just like the normal water brush that you can buy from any art store. It's so cheap. Like, hello, 22 pesos. It's really absolutely cheap. Now I'm cleaning the water brush again. Now finally the small one. For us to see even more clearly the different size of this brush, I will draw a line. Of course, I started with the smaller brush. By the way, before I forgot, I was able to get all of this brush with free shipping because I have a free shipping voucher. So it's only the water brush that I pay and not the shipping fee. Now let's make a simple demonstration using all of these brushes. I will also make a separate video using all of these brushes for my sketchbook episode. I will just put the link of that video on the description box. I am making a simple drawing of a cactus for this water brush review. It's also a demo, so if you want to learn how to draw this simple little cute cactus, just keep on watching.